Today's activation is for those feeling calm and committed. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by breath and frequency through the astrological energies shaping today. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today we send the light of our love to those stepping across a quiet threshold into something unnamed. To the ones who wake, knowing the date has changed, but sensing the real shift is subtler and deeper than celebration. To those who feel an old chapter closing, not with drama, but with a steady exhale. We send our light to those who are beginning again without applause, carrying forward only what still feels honest. May the ground beneath my resolve stay firm as I begin. I allow the past to loosen its grip without demanding neat conclusions. I trust the first step, even when the road ahead is still dim. I choose presence over pressure, depth over display. I move forward gently, carrying only what is true. I welcome the discipline of small, sincere beginnings. You are not required to erase yourself to begin again. This day asks for integrity rather than reinvention. Today, the sky opens a sober doorway. Move with intention instead of urgency. Let what has ended remain finished without dragging it into the new space. Consistency today matters more than confidence, and quiet choices will compound faster than dramatic promises. Saturn sets the tone with gravity and realism, asking for commitment, structure, and personal responsibility, while Neptune hovers near a historic reset point, thinning illusions that can no longer be sustained. Together they frame the year not as a burst of optimism, but as a conscious recalibration, where dreams must meet discipline to survive. This opening favors truth over fantasy and meaning over momentum. This is a day for choosing what you will build carefully, not what you hope will arrive without effort. May your day be filled with love and light.